Hello, welcome to my channel. I am here today to show you how I install my natural hair clip-ins. Right here, I'm just taking out some flat twists that I did the night before to prepare my hair for the clip-ins. You know, I want my curly texture to match the clip-ins texture as close as possible. And if you would like more info on how I do my flat twist or twist out, I will leave a link in the description box below. Just check that out if you need more help with how to do a twist out. And right here is the end result of my flat twist out. This is the name of the company I received the hair from, and I will also have the information on this company and the details on my clip-ins in the description box also. Guys, I was so impressed by the color match. By me dyeing my hair is usually a struggle finding weave that will match the color of my hair, but this hair color matched almost perfectly, so I am super excited about that. I have to tell you, this is my very first time installing clip-ins, so I think I did a pretty good job for it to be my first time. I didn't really know where I was going with the hairstyle. I just put it together as I went along, and you know, it turned out great. So I have to say that clip-ins are beginner friendly. And you know, I have to admit, at first I was a little concerned about people noticing that these were clip-ins, because I do prefer my hair to look natural, you know, as if it's growing out of my scalp. But you know what? I got over that concern very fast because I was getting compliment after compliment. And the best part about it is I was satisfied with my end result. So this is a quick fix to a bad hair day. Ladies, no more bad hair days. I recommend this company. Get you some of these clip-ins and you'll always have a good hair day. It was really easier to blend than I thought. You know, I just played with it a little bit with my fingernails, and you know, I was good. I was good, and I will be so glad when my hair grow this long. I wish this was my hair. I love the curl texture and I love the length. I cannot wait for my hair to grow. I need my hair to grow fast. I need my hair to grow just like this. Anyway, I'm just twisting the remainder of the hair. I'm just gonna twist it like a tuck and roll, and I'm gonna do this all the way around the back, and then I'm gonna pin it with some bobby pins. And after I pin it up with the bobby pins, when my hair is secure, I'm gonna add some little shells just for decoration. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little edge control to my edges, and then the style will be complete. Thank you all for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and hit that notification bell so when I post more videos, you will be the first one to know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.